Are you looking for the best digital marketing course in town? Well, you're at the right place.
Here's why you need Digicourse and not just any other course. Digital marketing is more about doing than learning. There's a lot more than learning long, boring definitions. It's all about the know-how. And that's exactly what Digicourse concentrates on. Our instructors give you actual practice and everyday tasks that ensure that you really are understanding what digital marketing is all about. The practice that you get helps you understand the concepts deeper and wider. Real-time examples and real-life projects and websites. This is where Digicourse learners learn. At Digicourse, the instructors teach you to do the job and then achieve the results. They teach you to strategize the marketing and then analyze both qualitative and quantitative data. At Digicourse, you not only learn from the best, that is, especially trained world-class digital marketing experts, but you also learn everything. Our course is comprehensive, covering all established and new techniques in digital marketing. And to add to all this great stuff, at the end, Digicourse provides job placements and on-the-job experience. What more can you ask for? And if you feel you have any more doubts or you need to get back to what you learned, well, you have lifetime access to self-paced learning. So don't waste any more time. Call us now and launch your illustrious digital marketing career.